Welcome back to another video here in China. Today I'm in Chengdu. Now, if you haven't already seen my previous videos from China, then head back to my channel and you'll be able to follow my whole journey over the last couple of weeks, as I've done an episode for every place that I've been to. So Chengdu, Panda capital of the world, home to spicy Sichuan food. Obviously, I'm going to see some pandas. Obviously, I'm going to eat heaps of spicy Sichuan food. But I'm interested in the architecture here. I've seen a lot of amazing buildings online, and I've done a little bit of research into some locations that I want to go and try and photograph while I'm here. We don't have much time, so obviously we'll get the pandas out of the way first, eat the food, and then hopefully photograph some of these amazing buildings. Just made it out to the panda breeding centre, and as you can see that the train station was filled with panda signs, merch. So this legend's actually buying us tickets because we don't have Chinese phone numbers, so this lad in this cafe has just bought them for us. What a bloke. Also given me a copy of Giant Panda magazine 2023. Have a little read of this on the way there. This is a 5-man job. Even the buses are pandas. Okay, so I just wanted to point this one out before we go in. This is not a zoo, this is a panda research centre. I'm completely against holding animals in captivity against their own will. Although this place does bring hordes of tourists on the daily, the Panda Research Centre is dedicated to preserving the panda through research and breeding. Now, it's only taken 5 minutes to realise since being in Chengdu that the panda is a national treasure here in China. That was so good to see. Those dudes have got a great life in there. Unfortunately, we're a bit pressed for time. I want to try and get back into the city for sunset. I was reading online, you need like 4 or 5 hours to explore the whole centre. Unfortunately, we was only in there for 1 or 2. But it was so good to see. Like, that is a must do if you're ever in Chengdu. Like I say, I want to try and get back into the city for sunset. So yeah, we're going to head back onto the metro now and try and catch the last light of the day. We've come up with an ingenious idea. In China, you have to order through your mobile and not from a server. So we've got around it by using my phone with the translator app on to order through Chloe's phone. So far, it's worked out pretty good. So if you come to China, you need 2 phones to be able to order on one and translate on the other. Good morning, we are up bright and early today. We have got on an hour train out of Chengdu. We have come out to a place called Leshan, I believe. and we have come to visit this huge Buddha statue that is built into the side of a mountain on the side of a riverbank. So you've probably seen it online. One of those things that I had to come and see because we're here in the area. Unfortunately, it takes half a day to do, so we're not going to be able to see as much stuff in Chengdu today, but you have to do it when you're here, right? I'll never forget the moment I saw a photo of this place online, probably 10 years ago. Finding out it was in China and thinking, I'm never going to be there. So today, it's so exciting to like actually be here, and I'm so grateful to be standing in mainland China to see this with my own eyes. Now, my photography has changed a hell of a lot since 10 years ago, and it's not somewhere that I would come to photograph. But I feel like I owe it to myself 10 years ago to be here and see it with my own eyes. 71 meters carved into the side of a mountain on a riverbed. My 25-year-old self would have been very stoked that I'm here right now. So it's not all glamorous all the time. Sometimes it's cup noodles in the train station en route to the next destination. So I said there was some really cool architecture here in Chengdu, and we were just literally walking down the street and I've come across this building that looks like a boat. I've never seen anything like that before. That is very unique. So I'm going to stop here, try and take some photos because that is cool. Chengdu, what an absolute whirlwind that was. An incredible couple of days here. We've had a brilliant time, and it's somewhere that we'd love to come back to in the future and spend a little bit more time. We saw the pandas, we ate a heap of spicy food, and we even photographed a little bit of architecture. Tomorrow we head to Beijing, which is the final leg of our China adventure. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Beijing, let's go! My wildest dreams as a kid, I never thought I would ever visit this place.